Okay, so one of the first things I want to do is kind of clean up this logging that we have down here. So if you look here, we have like a lot of information, and usually I'm for a lot of information, but a lot of this is kind of filler. So imagine we're running like 1,000 tests, having all these lines of just kind of debug or information code coming through into the logs can kind of clog up the logs in general. So what we want to do is we kind of want to clean that up. So a couple things that we can do is to actually turn off the logging for certain things. So there's pieces of this that I don't really need information. So a lot of it's doubling up, like starting Chrome driver 98 is already being logged above by the WebDriver manager. So I don't really need that. The only thing I really care about is this Chrome driver starts successfully. And I might keep these WebDriver manager logs just for dexterity and be able to see what version number we're running. So to do that, we're going to go to our base test here, where we're initializing our WebDriver. Sorry. Basically, we're going to, above this, we're going to basically tell our WebDriver to be silent when it logs. So we'll do system dot set property. And then inside here, we'll do WebDriver dot silent output, I think. Yeah, that's right. And then we will do set true. So basically we want it to be silent. And what that's going to get rid of is basically this starting Chrome driver, only local connections allowed, and this please see this URL for suggestions. Next, we're going to get rid of this stamp date right here, the protocol create session, and the info. So we'll do that right below the system there. And we're going to do that using a job util logging. So we're going to do Java util logging dot logger dot get logger. And then inside there, we're going to say org dot open QA dot Selenium. And then after we'll do set level. And basically we're going to set the level of logging that we want out of it to off. And what we'll see here when I run this is that it'll actually now, we won't have this amount and we won't have this. So what we should have is 3 lines of info versus the 8 lines of info that we have. So let's run it, verify that's working now.